Yo, 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 this your boy Joe Chicago, Joe Boy. Right now I'm finna do my Avery Johnson, Phil Jackson, Lakers versus the Heat Improv. Yo, this is Avery Johnson, and I'm on the Dallas Mavericks and everything. My name Avery Johnson. When I get the sensation, I sit back and report to the newscast and everything. You know, I have the balance sensation. You know, I've been playing basketball for years. You know, I get the sensation with my twin towers out here, and they double drip the ball, and I won a championship with the Spurs. You know, I'm the owner. You know, I have an owner with the Dallas Cowboys and the Dallas Mavericks and everything. You know, I shoot that ball pretty good, and you know, they just ride here and they just do what they supposed to do. Cause I've been coaching the team out here, cause you know, I played basketball for 12 years with the 10 Towers against Michael Jordan and Kobe and Shaq. You know, Michael Jordan had won 6 titles and Kobe had won 5. Scotty, Kobe, come out here and shoot. Kobe, time out. Kobe, time out, come over here. I want you to get out there with the Lakers and beat those Cavaliers. Scotty, Kobe, shoot that ball good. Kobe, yes. Kobe dribble down the court over those Cavaliers, those Miami Heat. Kobe, get down. Kobe, shoot that ball. Kobe, time out. You gotta be the team player. Kobe. This Chicago Joe, I'm up.